Hello and welcome. I've got in front of me a vehicle which I think is a very attractive proposition. It is the Bürstner Campeo Citreon 540. It's a 4x4 vehicle. This vehicle's been on the market since 2021 if memory serves me correctly, so it's got now a lot of history behind it. It's a tiny van. And let's have a look inside. Now, being tiny means you're going to park it, well, hopefully, just about anywhere you want to, within reason. But, right, 541 centimetres long, Citroen jumper. Now, I put the bed up here, because the point of that was I wanted to, oh, and I just hit the light, to show you how much space you can actually get into here once the bed is up. So there is the bed. The bed's been stored up here, and here we've got the ladder. There's a tent in the roof, so you use that the ladder to get into the tent in the roof. Now, in the circumstances whereby, for example, you wanted to carry bikes inside, well, okay, I'd be the first to admit that the bike is going to come down to here somewhere. But it is possible, it is doable, and given the size of this vehicle. Now, it also comes with this clever door. Push the door in, and there you've got your toilet, shower, sink, the bit of storage, and there's even a place to hang your socks up inside the vehicle. A window in the toilet, so you can keep an eye on what's going on outside whilst using the toilet. Around here we will find a small wardrobe. It's very small, but then again, bear in mind how big this vehicle is. Here we will find sink, 2 burners, and below that we've got a drawer and some more storage. There's your lights. Coming around here, there is the fridge. It's one of these fridges that opens in both directions. Sorry, I've got the mat here in the way. I'll pull the mat out. I still haven't pulled the mat out. Let's pull the mat right out. And there's the mat out the way. And now get into the fridge, and you can see what the fridge is like inside. These Dometic fridges now have been also on the market for about 5 years now. And so being put in lots of vehicles, and as I said, they open in both directions. Down here we'll find there's the fuses, so you don't have to go out. There is the Truma frost guard, so if you need to dump your water, or the temperature inside the vehicle goes below 4 degrees centigrade, that will automatically dump the water for you. And there's where you turn your gas on. So you'd put the ladder somewhere around here to get into the tent in the roof. Now the 4x4 kit is done by Dongel of France, and I'll give you a little bit more information below so you can actually find out more about the vehicle. This vehicle is now ready to be sold. They're looking at around the €90,000 mark, approximately. It depends on what extras would be required for it. But in my opinion, it's a very interesting I think it's a very interesting proposition. I know I said that already. Now, one thing about the space at the back, I'm going to give you a scenario. So if it's in the summer, you can sleep in the tent, and there you can carry lots of stuff with you. The payload also is, I can't remember now, but it's about 600 kilos, I think, off the top of my head. Take you around the back of the vehicle. So there you go, looking at it from this angle, the load space. Under here you'll find space for 2 gas cylinders, so that'll last ages. Note there's also USBs there as well, and close this and this, That's for your cassette toilet, and you can tell from the outside where the tent goes up and down. So there'll be more information in the description. There's things I've forgotten, and so you have a look at that. It'll also be a link to this particular vehicle. So thanks so much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15. It's the largest amount of motorhomes and campervans you'll find on YouTube or on this site. So all the best from me, and bye for now.